We must avoid the decision of the referee. We must avoid dash the decision of the referee. So here the dash. Answer is by. Okay, by. We must abide by the decision of the referee. Second one, the tank abound dash fish. The tank abound dash fish. The tank abound in dash fish. So the tank abound in fish. I abstain dash meat and drink. Abstain dash meat and drink. So abstain from meat and drink. We have very kindly exceeded his request. So we have very kindly acceded to his request. We have an easy access dash his house. We have an easy access. So dash his house. Fifth, 2. We have an easy access to his house. The servant was accused dash stealing a ring. The servant was accused of stealing a ring. Okay. Kushal was admitted dash the 10th class. Kushal was admitted to 10th class. Admitted to the 10th class. Admitted to the 10th class. Mr. Verma was addicted to drinking. Okay. Mr. Verma was addicted to drinking. Little children are afraid dash dogs. We have no afraid of. Okay. Afraid of dogs. Then hunter aimed at the tiger. Hunter aimed dash the tiger. At the tiger. Sudha was alarmed dash the sight of the snake. Sudha was alarmed at the sight of the snake. The clown amazed the audience dash his antics. The clown amused the audience with his antics. Okay, with his antics. The book does not appeal dash me. The book does not appeal to me. The minister apologized dash arriving the late. The minister apologized dash arriving late. The minister apologized to arriving late. Okay. No one can approve dash such behavior. No one can approve of. Okay. No one can approve of such behavior. The minister assured me dash help. The minister assured me dash help. The minister assured me of help. Of help. Okay. Once you can observe here, how did you keep or how did you answer all the questions with the help of the vocabulary? Okay, so if you know the abide meaning, if you know the abound meaning, and here exceeded and access accused, so you have to know the total sentence meaning in your native language, or else you have to know the meaning of words or anything else in the English only. Or if you understand the line sentence meaning, then simply kept your answer. Here the hunter aimed dash the tiger. So here only one the tiger. Here only tiger, only one tiger, and hunter aimed to hare. So at the tiger. So he aimed at the tiger. Okay, he aimed to at the tiger. So like here, the minister assured me dash help. So the minister assured me of help. I was astonished dash is failure. I was astonished dash is failure. 17th one. I was astonished dash is failure. 17 at his failure. Okay. My brother will be angry dash me. My brother will be angry with me. Okay. Don't use on me not. my brother will be angry with me. Okay, he was annoyed. He was annoyed dash Savita for her behavior. He was annoyed dash Savita for her behavior. He was annoyed with Savita behavior. Okay, 18th one. My brother will angry with me. He was annoyed. 19th one. He was annoyed with Savita for her behavior. 20th. I am not angry dash your behavior. I am not angry at your behavior. Not don't use with. So at your behavior. I am not angry at your behavior. Okay. So 21. 21. Sahil is backward dash English. Sahil is backward in English. Okay. So use before subject in. So this is very simple trick. So Sahil is backward in English, in zoology, in anything else. Okay. We belong dash this club. 22. We belong dash this club. We belongs to. Okay. We belong to this club. Adish is bent dash fighting. Adish is bent dash fighting. Adish bent on fighting. Okay. On fighting. The beggar is blind dash 1a. 24th. The beggar is blind dash 1a. So the beggar is blind of. Okay, the beggar is blind of 1a. 25th. Beware dash pickpockets. Beware of. Generally we know that beware of. Okay, so you have to listen it and it's so many times. Okay, warnings. Beware of pickpockets, beware of robbers. Okay, beware of dogs, like that. Sudha is busy dash her work. Sudha is busy with. So Sudha is busy dash her work. Sudha female and her means Sudha with her work. Okay, we belong dash this work. 27. We belong dash this work. So we belong to this work. We will belong to this work. Observe 27 and also 22. We belong to this club and we belong this work. Okay, we belong to this club and we belong to this work. Anita backward dash her promise. Anita backward dash our promise. Anita back out. Okay na. Anita back out. Anita back out. So which is a process. Noun process. Which is, so back out with her promise. 29th. A daughter was born. A daughter was born to her. Okay, a daughter born to her. A daughter born to who? Whose? Okay, her. A daughter was born to her. God blessed the king dash a son. God blessed the king with a son.